Melissa, we're just a few metres off the beach here. Can you talk to us a little bit about where we are and what is this?
Yeah, this is a small area of the hectares and hectares of seagrass beds here in Adu, which is the most southern atoll in the entire Maldives. So if you go south from here, the next thing you hit is the Chagos archipelago. In terms of its biodiversity and its habitat diversity, it's incredibly unique. So these particular seagrass beds, I think when most people hear about seagrass beds, they think, oh, it's just a bunch of grass and oh, it washes up on the beaches and such an inconvenience, right? But actually, even when I was walking around here yesterday, the diversity of habitat and biodiversity within the seagrass beds is staggering. I wasn't expecting to see the giant tridacna clams and different corals and sponges dotted within this area, so that was a really, really lovely pleasure. My normal gig is flying drones, so I don't get often the opportunity to stick my nose in, but it was absolutely lovely. Loads of different fishes. It acts as a nursery as well for lots of the open ocean species or the reef species. They come in here for shelter. And animals come in here to feed as well. Many of us know that the green turtle likes to chew on and eat up all the seagrasses. So even if you're sitting here on the beach, often you'll see green turtles. And even some of the hawksbills will come in if there are sponges for them to eat as well. One of the other massive benefits of seagrasses is that they actually kind of hold the sediment together, much in the same way the coconut palms do and the magu does along the edges of these small uninhabited islands over here. It's really important, otherwise everything would wash away. There are lots of ecological benefits for the seagrasses, and of course humans can benefit as well, because having this nursery essentially helps underpin the populations of fishes out on the reef for fisheries. So they are an incredibly important part of the tropical ecosystem, from land to the seagrasses and the mangrove areas and then out to the